Right, so HQ 14.37, bromine reacts with iodine to form two iodobromines. And the Kp, they tell us Kp for that is 322. And all right, our Kp expression would be, right, the partial pressure of iodobromine squared over the partial pressure of bromine times the partial pressure of iodine. And they tell us the partial pressure of bromine, and they tell us the partial pressure of iodine in this reaction, right? Bromine is 0.31 and iodine is 0.12 atm. So I know Kp, so Kp 322, right? My partial pressure of iodobromine, I don't know. And my partial pressure of bromine, 0.31, my iodine, 0.12. So we don't know the partial pressure of iodobromine, but it's our only unknown. So we can call it X. So I could just simply say, all right, X, and it would still be squared because that exponent 2, right, comes from our coefficient from the balanced reaction, right? This is where that exponent came from. So I still have to include that. So I'm going to multiply 0.31 and 0.12. So 0.31 times 0.12. And then I'm going to multiply that across. So 322 times that. And I'm going to get x squared equals 11.978. I want to solve for x. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So take the square root of that. And x equals 3.46. What was x, right? X would be the partial pressure of iodobromine. So 3.46 atm. Right, we can do this because I know the partial pressures of everything else. I know my equilibrium constant. So that means there's one thing I don't know. It's my partial pressure of iodobromine. We can call that X and just plug in X and then solve for X in this equilibrium for question 37.